This video tutorial will focus on the user management section and how employees can have limited access to parts of the Zoom Dining and on-the-go dining merchant programs. To be effective and perform jobs in a timely manner, assigning different roles regarding the program is essential. Both Zoom Dining and on-the-go dining have been programmed to be accessed by multiple users. Each user, excluding the admin, will have a specific role defined. Each role will be created by the admin, who has access to every section of the program. In most cases, the roles are designed to allow employees to perform specific functions without enabling them to make mistakes that will impair the program's overall settings. But this does not mean another person cannot be afforded full program access. This is the prerogative of the admin. When a user has a defined set of responsibilities, she will learn quicker, become more efficient, and in turn be qualified to teach the role to others. This video will teach you how to set roles for your employees, what areas of the program your employees can access, and how to create a user to utilize a role. So let's begin. From the dashboard, hover your mouse over the tab labeled User Management. You will see a drop-down menu with three options: Users, Role, and Role Privileges. Let's quickly go through each drop-down box and explain what each option does. The Users option lists all of the users who have any degree of access to the program. Role is the name for a job in the establishment, such as hostess, assistant manager, general manager, etc. Role Privileges lets the admin define exactly what privileges each role has. For instance, a chef may be able to create, edit, and delete menu items, but not be able to see reports, loyalty programs, etc. I will now show you how to create a role and define its privileges. Please hover your mouse over the tab labeled User Management and click on the drop-down box labeled Role. You will see a page with the list of roles currently available. Admin is the only role listed. On the top right-hand corner, you will see a button labeled Add New Role. Please click on it now. You will see three sections: Role, Description, and Status. The role will be the name of the employee's job, like bartender or hostess. The description should be a general overview of the jobs within the program. Let's make a role for front of house manager. In the section titled Role, type in FOH Manager. Then type in a description. Make sure the status is in the active stage, and then hit Save. You just created a role. You now can see we have two roles, admin and front of the house manager. Now we must define the role's privileges. Please hover your mouse over the tab labeled User Management and click on the drop-down box labeled Role Privileges. Here you will see a single box labeled Role. Inside the box are the words Select Role. Simply scroll to the role we just created, named Front of House Manager. You will be redirected to the Role Privilege Management screen. Here you can simply click on each privilege this role will receive. We want our front of the house manager to do 3 jobs: 86 items from the live menu on the fly when instructed by the chef or management. Deal with all reservations and takeouts that come from customers using the mobile app. The first box we will select is Edit Menu Item. We will then click on the button next to the word Takeout. This will select all of the options for takeout. And we'll do the same exact thing for reservations. When done, we'll go to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and click on the Save button. As you can see, we are now back to the original screen, and a green message appears saying role privileges have been updated successfully. Our final job is to enroll a user. Please hover your mouse over the tab labeled User Management and click on the drop-down box labeled Users. Click on the button Add New User. You'll be asked to create a unique username and password. Make sure you store these somewhere for quick retrieval. We will create a username Manager1. We must also create a password. We're going to make our password generic 99999. We're going to use a first name of John, last name of Doe, and we're going to make a fake email. Fake email 1 at yahoo.com. Create a fake number. And we're going to select a role, which will be front of house manager. And we're going to make sure the status is active. As you can see now, we have 3 users. Now, when a user wishes to use the program, they simply have to log in using their username and password. I'm going to show you one thing here with user management. If you ever want to edit your user, you can simply go in and click on that. So what we're going to do now quickly is log out, and we're going to log back in with our information. Manager 1 generic 99999, and you should see that we now have a limited options.